You come from big city Orlando, and you play with Türk all over there. You're a good buddy from Turkey. How is your adaptation so far in Los Angeles?
Well, it's a learning experience. It's something that I have to get used to. But it's a process just as long with anything. And just still learning.
And you come back from like injury this summer, and you start, you getting better and better every game. When we're gonna see 100% Howard?
I don't know. I can't really focus on when I'm going to be 100%. I just have to go out every night and play as hard as I can. If I have it, I have it. If I don't, just continue to play.
Your Turkish fans in Turkey, basically, they woke up like 4 a.m. in the morning to watch Lakers games, and you have a big fan base in Turkey.